Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to go through one-shot pot. So this is a really cool feature that is new to the HD96, and here we go. So when we look on the right hand side, here's our send details where we can see, our auxes. There's these two arrows up here. We can arrow over again to hotshot pot. So what this does is any sort of parameters that we have like on screen, it will now populate on this right hand side, and now you can use the encoders, the physical encoders that are on the surface will map to them. So if you want to have a tactile knob to turn versus using the screen, it's a super helpful function that'll populate that. So for example, if we go to EQ, there's our bass frequencies there. If I go to like low, mid, high, then they change, and you can use those to start EQing. Where it comes into real play here is, let's say that we throw in effects in. Let's do a distressor. So here we go. Obviously, we can still use the on screen. I can even drag that to the center and lock that if I needed that certain parameter. But now, with auto engaged, can just use the surface to control them. So I find that to be a lot easier, especially for the effects with a lot of stuff going on. Now, another thing with one-shot pot is if we disable auto, then whatever we touch will be that function. So just the first encoder of the top one of the 8, again, whatever we tap here that is an on-screen encoder will be that function. And although I can't do it in the editor, the button that's just to the right of the physical encoder, if you press that, you can actually lock that function in. So if you have a certain effect parameter, let's say, I don't know, this input gain, I can lock that in, and I can exit it, do something else, and it will just permanently stay there. And then if I tap something else, it'll actually populate right underneath that, and will continue doing so. So that's one-shot pot, really cool. And anyway, thanks.